any other topic, please let me know. So I will tell you the process when I'm free. So I will make some times to in your as per Sunday only. So I'm free in the Sunday. So I will just explain you in personally if you have any doubts regarding the up to all process. Okay, just a minute. I will share my screen. Yeah, screen is visible now. All of you. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine. But this is recorded. Just a minute. I will record this session. Okay, recorded. Yeah. So we have done this process, entire process. So for the process is very important based on this kind of project. Not do every business process you are not involved. If you are deploy any support project, they will give us some tickets. Well, creation of PO, their users they're getting some issue. For that you have to fix that issue. Okay. So based on that, it's a kind of project will be deployed. So this is organization structure. So in the first session, so already did the organization structure and service procurement. So what is the service? Planned delivery service and unplanned delivery service. So if you know the nature of service, you can call it as a planned delivery service. If you don't know the nature of service, it's an unplanned delivery service. Okay. And here what do you do? So you can do the creation of material. Everything is same. So you have to create activate one material code. Here it is activate the service activity code number. Using that activity code while doing the PO, you just input that activity code number and do the process. After the PO, you can enter the service and enter it. How many services are done within that. So once you done in the settlement MIRO, we can done this one. Okay, service procurement process. And what is mean by blanket PO means it is a daily uses stationery, okay, stationery material or office bill and books. So like that, it is like a we're doing this process. So we're doing the process in the PO document. We have to select the document type and framework order. So document type is framework order. Like that, you can select in the account assignment categories. You can select the K and item categories in the B. So we're doing the blanket PO. So you can input the blanket PO number. So once the PO with respect to GR and with respect to how to do. So here the no price will take it. It is a daily use. It is a consumable. It is a repeatedly using. So that is the that in the specific period. So that is called blanket PO. Okay. Well, after that, when to go to for direct procurement and indirect procurement. So what do you mean by direct procurement and indirect procurement? So the material is directly involved. It is direct procurement. The material is indirectly involved. It is indirect procurement. So what is the process we are doing? So only difference is we're doing the process. We're doing the process in the direct procurement. Okay, so here the material is must and should. Here the material is optional because it is in the nature of service or what kind of service. And vendor and PR, PO, GR, everything is same. So here is so the in the description, short description we are mentioned. So in direct procurement means it is like coolant, gas. It is indirectly involved. So that kind of you can mention it. So there are some example subcontracting labor. So here you can consider gas. So in the company, in a company indirectly involved gas or oil. We're doing the manufacturing. What do you call so chip manufacturing any component for cast iron. So what is called liquid? What is the liquid in the sense you can call what is that? Hello. In mechanical company, they will reducing the friction between lubrication. So the lubrication is involved in the production. So it is an indirect procurement. Okay, you can call it as indirect procurement. So we'll move to the subcontracting process. What do you mean by subcontracting process, Mr. Kalyan? Kalyan and hello, Kalyan, I'm audible?
Any process which can't be done in in-house can be
Exactly.
done in at vendor area is called subcontracting.
Exactly. That's great. So we are done for this subcontracting. Means in your plant or in your so we are not getting a sufficient equipment or what kind of product we are not able to do that one. So you can go for subcontracting some external vendors. You can provide the raw material. He will make the finishing and he will deliver to you, and you have to pay the subcontracting charge to for him. Okay, that is called subcontracting process. And then we'll move to the consignment and pipeline. So here we done the consignment, na? Consignment and pipeline we done the process. Okay, so we just
Yes.
watched all the recorded the session. Consignment is nothing but in your home, so you have to take the permission of your mother and take the product. So like that you can call it consignment. Means another plant having the stocks are there is in the consignment store. How to pay the consignment charges. Okay, so these are all special procurement for consignment process. And after the consignment, we can go to the pipeline procurement. It is also similar. Here the consignment and pipeline are both the same. So here only the net price is 0. So we have to pay the MRKO through by vendor settlement. We have to done the MRKO. How to settlement vendor settlement we can done by MRKO. Okay. So this is about any doubts regarding the consignment and pipeline. So please go through the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay. So after the consignment, here material status means if the vendor has to provide any raw material or semi-finished any material, he provide the poor quality. If it is a damage, suppose you want to block that material, so you have in the there are two ways. So in the plant specific, you have to block that. Creation of material, so you have to in the purchasing view we can block that material, and also in the material well creation of material in the basic data view we can activate the escape line. So then while doing the PO system will shows the warning message this material is blocked due to some impurity quality as per the requirement is not there. So that is in the material status. And table name and field name, so here some relevant to for while doing the setting the release strategy you should be remember for table name and field name. So Mara for material master for always Mara. So and the vendor for LFB1. Okay, so here, where you want to see for this all one, I will show you what are the tables you have, how to see the tables. AC16, AC16N. You can go and check. Okay, here you can input your table name or Mara means what are the materials are created. Here you have to just input MARA Mara table. Just input. System will show so under too many lines results in material means so many materials are there. Okay, so after that, so and which date how many material are created if you want here today date or something, so created on which date you can go here, you can mention today days. Okay, just execute what are the materials are created. Okay, today I created this material, today this one. Okay, so under who created and who is that and what is the changes material group, everything should be recorded. Again the model table, so today date is so you can get the material list with respect to vendor, so everything. So in Mara table like that the n number of table name are there. Okay, so for vendor list LFB1, so like that, so you can go and search for the two by table name, so you can get the any requirement will come, you have to make the report for that. So you want vendor list with respect to material, so they want based on that you can go for the table name you can get. This is a T code, this is 69 T code. And if you so if you want the PO details you can go for EKKO. So if you input the EKKO, so table name, so and you can get the list of PO, what are the PO. And for MSEG for GRN goods receipt note. Okay, so this is goods receipt note. So MKPF is Miro. Okay, so how many invoices posted, so you can just go and check it for in the AC69 table. Input the table name this one, so and you can get same all process same how they get the material requirement, so same like here also getting Miro. Okay, so after that account determination means it is very important we are doing the any material creation. So valuation class means valuation class is nothing but that is linked to the material types. Material type, you know, material types, raw material, semi-finished, that is all material type. Different material type is linked to the valuation class. That valuation class is linked to the GL account. So the GL account is into chart of account. That chart of account is linked to the company code. Company code is linked to the client. Okay, the plant is linked to the under the plant having the material. So this is the process while doing the process automatic determination, it is linked. Okay, while doing this process please check the quantity and value of grade using OMSD code. And after that, you can define one valuation account category reference and to link the valuation grouping code and account grouping codes. And you can select one debit and credit and to link the GL accounts. While doing the process, when doing the GR and IR, this valuation automatic account information will trigger. Okay. So and after that, we can go for the STO process. We have done this STO process, one step method between, two step method between, and MMSD integration very important. So here we have to do we're doing this process 641 moment type is happening. So just go through clearly we have defined we have done this process. Okay. So what is the document type? What is the we have considered two client, one is supplying client, one receiving client. What are the prerequisites required for the supply receiving client? And after the OBD we have to do VL0, VL10D and OBDs and post BD issue. Finally we have received that material with respect to outbound delivery number. So this is a process. If you have any doubt this session also you can just go through it. Okay. And these are the business process we have done for direct procurement, indirect procurement, subcontracting, service procurement, consignment, and pipeline procurement, interest to physical inventory, return deliveries. So goods receipt means always we're doing the POs, we have to do the goods receipt. Goods issue means I already told for 261 and 201 You have to issue the material. So I will show you for that one, goods issue and return by transport packaging also. Then we have done ERS also. Okay, so ERS also we have done. ERS means what is you all better receive settlement. Okay. Hello. Hello. I'm audible now.
Yes.
Kalan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And the ERS and third party is also there. ERS. Okay. I will go through next one. GR block system. So if the vendor has to provide as per means he will not provide for as per your requirements, you can block that material in Migo. So in the Migo screen you can go and put the PO number 103 moment type. So you can block that one. And after the once you make the as per your requirement, you can release that using 105 is a moment type you have to release. See here it is there 105. Once it is released, it is see in the release GR block with respect to so moment it will 105 it is converted by default it will take system. Okay, so that is GR block system. GR block and moment type. So this moment type. It is a three-digit code and it can define the OMJJ is the cheat code to define moment type. So it will control the sequence of alphanumerical. It can define X, Y, Z and M say 201 to 61 like that. We have basically it is move of stocks from one place to another place. Some customization also there. Some SAP standard also there. Please go through for that one moment type and delivery cost and planned delivery class and planned delivery class means in the if you have a nature of service plan you have know the nature. So if you order in the Flipkart he know the what is the nature of how many takes how many days the transportation charge everything he will make the charges from transportation charges. See like percentage wise as fixed wise as quantity. So here he will plan delivery under 20 days he will deliver to the cost. Here we don't know the cost that is the reason there is no transportation charges and there is nothing will be there directly some days it will be here it clearly knows the nature of delivery. So here doesn't know the nature of service in the unplanned delivery. So that is the reason. So we have to done the planned delivery cost and unplanned delivery cost. And ERS means evaluated receipt settlement. It is the vendor settlement means before doing the Miro, in the sense we can use a one different code that is MIRRL. Okay, sorry, MRRL. Okay, we have to create a material. We're doing this process, your evaluated receipt settlement. There are three conditions. So we have to activate checkbox in GR based invoice verification, auto evaluated verification, auto evaluated GR settlement return. So you have to activate, then only it will system the business partner. So once you done, it is in I'm telling in the BP in S4 HANA. So Mr. Sheikh, I told S4 HANA is there now. That is the reason I told parallel S4 HANA. So some relevant in ECC, if you go for ECC, in the ECC, in the purchasing way, we have to activate this one. Don't be confused. That is the reason your combination with S4 HANA and ECC, that is I am showing for that one in ERS. Okay, you have to activate in S4 HANA in the BP business partner and click on purchase or purchasing view. It is there. This is already recorded. Please go through it. Okay. Hello,
Okay.
Rohini. Okay. Hello, Rohini. Hello.
Rohini
Okay.
has
Now.
left the class.
Okay. Okay, Kalyan.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, I
fine.
am there.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
I
So
think
here,
Mr. Kalyan was also opted for second course, sir. Yes,
sorry,
Kalyan.
sorry. What you
Yes.
said?
Along with MM,
Mm-hmm.
I have opted for S4 HANA also.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is the reason. So while doing this process, I told so whatever we done entire process in S4HANA, please go through it. So what is the difference in S4HANA? Only thing is business partner and some business process is already made for that one. So okay, all our processes are same. Only thing is in the business partner we activate this one. So that is the reason you can go through it in the BP in the BPT code. I enter this one. Okay, we are not done in for ECC also. ECC if it is in XK01, XK02, I told you. Okay, go through for XK01 for XK02 for in ECC. Okay, in coming to the S4 HANA, you go to the BP and change this one. You have a, both the two server. They provide the both the server. Kalam S4 HANA and ECC server both the server they provide.
No,
Mr. Sheikh.
only
No,
ECC.
no. We have
Then
only ECC right now.
yeah, that is the reason. No? The ECC you are practicing. So no, both are same. Only difference is some kind of business process is we're doing the process is different. So that is the reason I'm showing in S4 on a T that one. So in the ECC we're doing the process. I told which two code you have to do that one. Okay, I have to try to do in the Excel. Sorry, in the ECC in the S4 on what is the difference? This one. Okay, in the business partner. Okay, so there is many differences are there in material creation. Extend the material creation also up to 18 digit. We have to extend the material digit code. Okay, and there are some table name and field names are directly there. Okay, so that kind of process also there. And after that, auto PO process and output message determination, outline agreement. So what do you mean by agreement? Raman Sheikh? Hello? Hello? Raymond? Hello, Kalan?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm audible, no?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Yeah, fine. What do you mean by outline agreement? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It is it is a predetermined time in the sense of period of time to supply for organization with respect to purchase organization with respect to material either service. So that is an outline agreement. Just go through once again, okay? Kalan?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, there are some process agreement type between so we have to change the agreement type only for MK, WK and LP. So there are three agreement type for all the process. Go through for all the process and then go for the third party process. How to create the third party PO. When they were doing this process, third party PO, so item category and agreement category, you will select and to create this third party process. Okay, so means the company will send the order to the vendor. So vendor has to deliver to the customer. So the customer will pay to the amount to the company. The company will pay to the supplier. Like that. It is a third party involved in company. Is involved in third party as a company. Okay, and one more thing, the account assignment. Other account assignment with different process system, asset and cost center and project and network and orders and all. So these are we're doing this process. I have to asset if it is in the asset system will loss asset number with respect to GL account. So that one we already recorded this one also. Just go through it. And RTP returnable transport packaging means they have a two material. One is core material, one is returnable material. So for that we can consider gas is a core material and returnable means while doing the returnable. So find out the one moment I will hit. Okay, this is the process. Some other example like you are buying from egg, the dryer is returnable and egg is core material you're using. So egg is consumable. Okay, after then MMPP integration. So what was the scenario we have done in PP MMPP? So here we have to create a material with respect to MRP set. MRP wave we have to create the MRP wave. So we have to MRP type, MRP controller and lot size once you define. So once you run the MRP. So and stock requirement will be shown in the MD04 and to run the MRP. So the PR is generated. After the PR you can do the PO and to the GR. So that is the process in PP. I already shown. On the split valuation, so based on the type of material, we have to activate the split valuation. Grade one so we're having the same material, but valuation class is different. Grade one having 3001 and grade two having 3002. Okay, so that is the split valuation. And the last one is batch management. So here batch management under which batch the material is generated and the material is going to that one. So we have to activate the batch management. By doing the batch management in the purchasing view, you have to activate the batch. Click on the checkbox and in the material tab. So in creation of PO, the batch tab is activated. Okay, so in that batch, which batch you can enter either you can if it is an internal batch, it will system will take. Okay, that is batch management. And output message determination. So how to do the output message determination here? So already so in the SAP standard RME BEF is a 60-man determination process. So we have to output message determination via to send the PO either the vendor or supplier based on this scenario print fax telex. Okay, so this one also is shown. And pricing procedure, this is very important. Pricing procedure is nothing but the price, the way you have to determine the price in the purchase order document, like condition price PB00 PB XX, and like that we have to define in the pricing condition. Based on that we have to set the pricing condition with respect to calculation schema. This is the CP standard calculation schema is RM 4 times of 0. Okay, so that is pricing procedure. And inventory management, yesterday we done the inventory management. It is recorded. Kalan, please go through it. Kalan, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah, please
I
go
have I
through
have
it.
gone through already this physical inventory. I have one doubt in this physical
Yeah, yeah,
inventory.
yeah, yeah.
My doubt is
Mhm.
can we upload any Excel data at a time in this physical inventory means the
Mhm.
quantity of parts
Yeah, you
quantity
can.
of part multiple parts at a time.
Yeah, at a time we can go through it in via through there is one program it is coming, so they can do that one also. You can enter input also in Migo. You can go here. We can take the list of. You can go. That is one program. That is LTMC. Some another program they are doing. So go for MI01. So this is what I'm showing. Means under the store location, how many stocks are we at? See, we have to input here everything. That's it. Hello.
Yeah, instead of inputting one material,
Yeah.
is there any option to upload Excel or copy paste?
That is one more of means that is different business process. So they are doing
Okay.
some process like LSMW. Hello.
Yeah.
Means they are doing some means n number
I
of directly they
I
upload.
think we no sir. I think we can export this data into Excel sheet. After doing that, after creating this,
Hmm.
we can export this material to data Excel
Like
data
that,
sheet.
there should be a reverse process also. We have to upload the data from Excel also.
Okay, you can copy the Excel and you can input here directly. You are saying.
Yes. Yes.
I am thinking directly to maintain at a one time means in the Excel you have to upload Excel file. I'm thinking like that. You're
Yeah.
saying that one either.
Yeah. I'm saying is in the physical inventory count, when we take the
Mhm.
physical inventory, we have a list, right? The physical
Okay, we
inventory
have
of each and
okay.
every
We
part.
can copy the list.
Instead
Okay,
of
we can
instead
copy
of
the list.
instead of entering one part number and the quantity, physical quantity, is there any process to upload at a time for all the part numbers and the physical quantities at a time?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So we have to input all the time. So and then we can update in quantity wise. So here you can copy and paste. I will check it once again. There is sometime they will do one program that is legacy system. So I will check it.
Yeah, why because in some factories there are thousands of part
Yeah, yeah,
numbers.
yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
inputting one part number will take a lot of time. Though, is there any shortcut or is there any upload process like that? That's the my doubt.
Yeah, yeah, that is on business process. That is a legacy system. So I will check it for that one. So
Yeah.
at a time, so you have to upload all material, but you can copy and input here. So it will take with respect under the store location in store location. Okay, no issue. I will update for this one. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, fine. That's great. Good question. So and one more thing, this is S4 HANA. So it is S4 HANA. ECC is not mandatory. And S4 HANA is mandatory. Means how many material, how many so we have updated. So everything should be recorded in material ledger. So this is mandatory. That is the reason in S4 HANA I show this. This is only for the in ECC and S4 HANA difference. Okay. So we have to activate the enter process. So we'll move to the mechanical industry. So this is the means once you procure the material, you have to procure the material. You can set the you can create the means PP person will do the production planning. So he will have plan some planning and the once you done the production. So after then he will do the issuing. So after then go to the confirmation as per the requirement is right. Then go to the goods receipt and deliver to the customer requirement. So this is some process I'm just showing. Okay, so this is PP model, okay, not for MM model. Oh. So I'm just showing for this one. This is all about the topic. So I will do one more. I think logistic invoice verification. So okay, shall I do logistic invoice verification? That is our last topic. Okay, guys.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, and so for bulk model or bulk material, we have to upload. I will update Kalyan. Okay, no issue.
Yeah.
Okay, so last topic. This is very important. Means it is same like physical inventory. What are the scenario you done? Same like here. In the if the vendor has to provide the poor quality, so you have to block that material. So the material is already rich. You have to return that one. So the like the that kind of scenario will come. So means in the up to invoice level the material is rich, but you want to reverse that invoice. So that kind of invoice verification coming. You have to create one material and with respect to vendor we have to do the PO with respect to GO sorry GRN. So after the GRNs you have to return that if the vendor has to provide the extra quantity, you have to pay the extra charges. That is called credit memo. And if you want to pay for the vendor, that is my debit memo. Okay, so that is called logistic invoice verification. So just a minute. Okay, what is the process? The process is first you need a material. Okay, first need the material. You have to create the material. After that, take one vendor. That vendor master. The PIR is an optional. Okay, we're doing the PIR is an optional. So after that, the process is PR. If it is some industry, click go for PO. So you can go for PR or PO. Okay. After the next step is GRN, whose receipt note, and mirror. Okay. So once you done the invoice verification, this is the step to do the invoice receipt and invoice verification. This is one. Means we have to settlement for that one. Means as per the vendor, you will be delivered for that one. If there is a vendor provide poor quality, you can return that one. So like that kind of scenario will happen. So if you order 100 quantities, but vendor has to send 80 quantities, so you can reduce the amount also. That is in the sense of credit memo process. Okay, so let's go one process to do this one. Okay, first you have to create one material. Okay, already I have a material, so we have to create one material after the vendor are. So directly go PO and GRN. We have to run one P2P cycle. So while doing the P2P cycle, assuming note, here I will tell like note, assuming some stock gets rejected, stock gets rejected due to vendor mistake. Due to vendor mistake, not deliver properly. Either he made some mistake. Mistake. So you have to return. So means he will made some stocks improper way. So you have to reject it and to return for that one. So and that scenario will come. So you have to do the credit memo. Okay. So stock is rejected due to vendor mistake. So kind to credit memo. Credit memo means vendor has to pay our account. Okay. So debit memo means there are two types. One is credit memo.
Hi. Hi.
One is debit memo.
Huh?
One is credit memo, one is debit memo. Okay. So what do you mean by credit memo and what do you mean by debit memo? Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah.
If we
The
receive
credit.
excess quantity, it is credit memo. If we receive
Yeah.
less quantity, it is debit memo.
Exactly. So debit memo means you can call it as means we have to pay the vendor. Means vendor has to send the extra quantity. Either vendor has to forget to PO as per the PO. As per the amount is not reversed, so he will request to you. So pay the extra amount for that. This is vendor payment. Okay, so you have to for extra charges for vendor. Okay, you can say remember like this is company will pay for this one. Okay, and this is vendor has to pay to the customer. Vendor pay to the company either customer. This is the process. A credit memo and debit memo. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Sir, debit memo means
debit memo means if we have to pay the extra charges to the vendor.
V means a firm. A firm has to charge.
Yeah, we have to pay the extra charges. Charge means amount, extra amount to the vendor. You have to pay the amount. Means company will provide to the amount to the for vendor. Okay, so for credit means we vendor has to pay means vendor
Vendor
missing.
has to pay to the company, right?
Exactly. Okay, so that is called credit memo and debit memo. So I think we have to run the cycle. So the invoice. Okay, just I will try. So just a minute. The system which is uh, the server is working on my server. Just a minute. In S4 I'm showing. Okay. Okay. So I'll create one material like invoice verification. IV invoice verification. Remember material. Okay. Remember the material name. After that, I will select basic data. One purchasing and general data. The quantity. Okay. Just input your plant. Store location. See in the plant and the store location. It's the plant two. Sorry, plant one. So here it is there. Your relation class. Yes. And I can say price is 7 rupees. Okay. So your material is created. Okay, IV your material. Remember IV material. So I will directly go to the PO. So I will select one vendor. Okay, randomly. Directly go to the PO. ME 2110. So here I will input the material. So what is our material? IV our material. Here is the vendor. Select one vendor. So I need 10 quantities. 10 quantities. Just enter. System is asked your organization. Sure thing. I input your purchase organization. Okay, so I will explain. Okay, so quantity and net price we have to define net price in the below. Okay, so 2 rupees. So order 10 quantity, 10 into 2, 20 rupees. Sorry, 20. We do one piece having 2 rupees. Okay, total is order 10 quantity means I need 10 piece. So one piece having 2 rupees. Total is 20 rupees. Hello. Okay, after that we can check. Save. So return this PO. If the PO is released or not, if they are maintained. So what is the T code for releasing PO? Rema?
Yes, sir.
What is the T code to releasing the PO? If there is any
T
release
code,
strategy, then yeah,
T
I'm
code,
asking
sir.
the release the PO if they're maintaining, if they're not maintaining the release strategy. Okay, they're not maintaining the release strategy. Okay, here it is the release strategy will come. Okay, if they're maintained. So here I observe, say our 20 quantity is there. Okay, we order 10 quantity, one quantity having 20 rupees. Okay, hello.
Okay.
Hello, is there no? So one
Yes, sir.
quantity, 10 quantity we order. So one quantity, so one quantity, one piece having 2 rupees. So total is 20 rupees every order. Okay, so next what do you do? How to send this one? So vendor has to send the vendor what is this? So we have to do the Migo. Okay, so first we do the Migo. Each vendor has to send as per your requirement. So user TMC is not maintained. Okay, they are not maintained for this one. Just input your numbers. Okay, they are selecting some different, so that is the reason. So if I select for zero text, so it is selected zero text. Select check. Do once again Miro. They are defined the tax for this vendor. So that is the reason system is not taken. So I taken zero tax. So let me take this one. White issue zero. We are not done the sorry. We directly go to the Miro. That is the reason. So we are not done the Migo na. We are not received the materials. Then how it is go? Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
hello. Well, na.
Yes.
Anyway, I thought that we are not done this one scenario. That is the reason we are not done. So means we have created the PO. So we have to send the PO copy to the vendor. The vendor has to deliver the 20 piece. Just enter. See your test and quantities. Okay. and the store location. Select the store location and purchase order, check your purchase order. Okay, and in the partner, this is your partner. And can check. Okay, now item is document is okay, and post it. Okay, so after the next step is invoice. We're doing the invoice receipt, invoice verification. Every time we are doing this, we are doing invoice. Input the PO number with respect to date. The T code is Miro. Okay, so here what you do? So we have to input your PO number, date. So once you enter, system will show how much of C 22 rupees. Okay, here you have to enter. Hello, hello, Rahman.
Yes.
अच्छा.
Okay, so you will enter 20 rupees. So we'll take supply this one on the place and then place in place, and now enter. So here it is shows that export. Okay, so once you it will turn green, so it is not taken because of the tax. The assign the tax is different, so that is the reason. Okay, just a minute, I will check it. They are maintained as a this one mandatory, so that is the reason this is not there. Let me check your data tax also. See here we not taken this tax is 0. That is the reason. Let me check once again. Due to some very slow this time. Okay, they're different tax. Okay, that is the reason it is not taken. So in the previously we taken different tax. See, input the tax, output tax code. So it is hello. I'm audible, na guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So under the plan, I mean under this vendor, they will maintain tax different taxes. That is the taxes such as GST and tax relevant activity. So this people will define the particular taxes with respect to it is in the import material either foreign material either domestic material based on the type of material. So he will define. So this is our not material. No? Just a second to check. Okay. Let me check. Okay, so it is tax error. So I will fix it for this one tax error. We have to make it as a zero tax. So in the output condition, so the backend setting, somebody users they will define some different taxes. So they are assigned. So that is the reason is there as use an error. Okay. So if you use the tax it without tax, so the system will see while selecting always allow for any while getting any error. You can take the photo like this. Okay, and don't take that full sentence. Take the photo and share it me. So we have to fix with if it is a relevant activity, so we can fix it. If it is tax related, we will talk with our who will assign the tax. So we'll talk, FICO model also is integrated with that. So I will ask with what GST and tax relevant activity. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Fine. So we have to fix on tomorrow onwards. So we have to take one more session. So in the tax, how to they will take the taxes also. So how to remove the taxes. So there is invoice in the invoice. So there's tax configurations also there. So they will do that one. So we'll talk with who will they taken. So under this plan they will activate that one. So there is some stick code the backend setting. So we have to set and tomorrow we will dial it. Okay. Otherwise Monday or tomorrow.
Okay.
So as per the it means what is done. So if the tax I'm just taking. So after that what I will do? So just a minute. I will show you in mirror screen. Okay. So you will try. So you all will try. So here what you do? First you do the invoice. Okay. So input all the process in previous video. I'll done the invoice. Just go through that. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hello, Kalan.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Yes.
we done already one photo three times and we invoice we done. So here we have to select how to select. See here the invoice tax is 0. You can do the process once you done one. No? So after the next step is assuming again you can run the cycle. So here you have to select the credit memo and debit memo. Okay. See here the credit memo and subsequent debit memo, subsequent credit memo. So you have to the credit memo means the vendor has to pay the extra amount. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the scenario means if the vendor has your order 20 quantity means your order 10 quantity, the vendor has to deliver only 8 quantity. Means vendor has to pay extra for 2 pieces. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that is called credit memo. And credit memo and subsequent credit, it both are same. So comparatively, quantity based on the quantity it will change. Here is one once again. So if you go for subsequent debit, you have to pay the minimum extra charges to some freight charges, extra charges to the vendor. That is called subsequent debit memo. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, these are the process to follow for a credit memo and debit memo and subsequent debit memo and credit memo. So these are the logistic verification. So sometimes the billing and account department they will do. So between vendor who will he will not done as per the requirement. So the negotiation also the quantity is not delivered. So that amount will be charged reduction. Reduction is the accounting department. So I'm just taking for this one topic relevant to sometimes they will suggest to you also so what is the purpose to reduce the amount for that particular material. So he will give the some, you will mention the reason because he provide the poor quality or improved quality. So for that we can choose the like a credit memo. So we have to do the credit memo. If the he will send the extra quantity, he will do the debit memo. That's it. Okay, so this completes for regarding the process. So I will update you. So once the tax will free, so I will take one more one more sessions on at any time. So I will let you know. Okay, so this is all the process regarding the
Okay.
logistic invoice verification. So no need to worry about it. So that officially your portion is end. So I will take once you all of you free. So I need all candidates. So we have to tell one time. So otherwise I have to try once again. If you're not getting, so we have to do that process. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Okay, so here we just understand what
Okay,
is
sir.
debit memo, credit memo. In the interview, they will ask. Definitely, they will ask what is credit memo. If it is in the implementation project, support project, some theoretically they will ask. Okay, so understand the process. Assuming the process. So if the providing vendor between you will talk with the invoice verification here. Okay, this is about invoice verification. Remember the process. Okay, so and this is a PP process. Means this is production planning. So I'm handling one more batch PP process. I'm just showing for this one production planning how they will send. Since they have some demand to start the production in the PP person, they will fix one plan, and they will run the MRP with respect to material. How many material requirement for particular machine? They'll fix your MRP and then production planning. So they will do the P already is the production planning. So and then they will start the production. So once you done the production, then after the once you done the production, they will issue the goods in the storage location, and they will confirm, they will check the quality everything. So then they will okay for the material, then they will agree. So then go to that material to the goods receipt note as per the confirmation. So deliver to the customer. So they will do the goods receipt, and finally it is technically confirmation from the customer requirement. That is the just the flow of PP production planning process. It is not for process. I'm just showing for this one. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. So I'll be there. So if you are any facing the issue, so I will connect and I will explain what kind of process I need. Sometimes hello,
Yes.
hello.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sometimes,
Sir,
sometimes.
just now I
Okay.
have sent a picture.
Okay.
Just
Tell me.
this is one of the type of ledger, sir. Ledger, our ledger. It helps. I think it helps
Okay.
us.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yeah, that's great. And don't be think so we finish within a short period of time. Don't think like that. So we have to tell. So if you have any facing the issue regarding the process, I will tell you. So you have to follow the process. Okay, so because they are given more time, but you are not absent, no? That is the reason. It is impact on for me also, you also. I also need extra time. So no issue. Every process is completed. Some business process, if it is in anything, if you are know about some extra business process, please let me know. So I will do the process. Okay, and don't think like that. Hello, Alan.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
personally, if you have, so if you want, so the process I want, please, if you have any, so please let me know. So I will go through it, no issue. Okay, even everybody, Raymond and Rohini, hello,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay.
and try to do first what you do. So all the videos watch and write down the steps, and after that you can practice. While doing the practicing, getting error, you can share me. and try to learn. It will require 1 month. Obviously, it will, if you are very thoroughly daily practice, 15 days also you require. So it depends on your practice. So practice well. So all the best, all of us. And I will give the notes for regarding for interview purpose, everything. Okay. So once you're free, who will ready for the interview? We'll take the demo session for the demo interview. How it is there in the real interview. So I will take care of that one also. Okay. Kalan, once you free your food poison, so once you comfortable, so we take for interview demo session. So
Yeah,
this is
okay.
yeah. So I will share the mail. Please acknowledge the mail. Okay, as per the requirement. So we have the time. They will give the timeline how to finish this one. So and don't think. So after the end of, I will connect for if you have any doubts. I will connect and I will explain. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So many process and extra process also I will connect. And please, on Sunday only I will do the process. If you have any doubts. Okay. Hello. And don't.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
So, and I will take the call one by one. So, what are the process I will tell one by one when I'm free in the session. So, in this Sundays I will also update you. So, just a minute. Here is one very important here. Based on the project, will be deployed on that. See, here is the consultant. If you deploy in the project in the sense of support project, so he will be only responsible to resolving the tickets. Like while doing the PO creation, the user was to means he will assign different GL accounts. So in Excel, they will maintain every GL account with respect to that material type. So you have to assign, so how to create PO, how to create service PO, how to create blanket PO. So every process you have to tell if they're users. And one more scenario will come. So the release strategy. So setting the release strategy, they want to change the release strategy for that particular price. So you have to change the release strategy also. So and some tickets I will share. I'll share the all the process relevant to tickets also. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, so this is our
Okay, sir.
organization system. Yeah, there is only difference for ECC and HANA. Here I mentioned in the first session. So here is means up to material digit code you have to extend 18. So almost all every industry up to 10 to 12 they will maintain. So here in S4 up to 40 digit we have to extend. Here they already in the vendor you can create XK01, XK02, XK03. We have to create a vendor master. Here in the BP we have
Sorry,
done the business
sir,
model.
sir, sorry. What is 40 number
It is a
in
material
S4?
digit code. Yeah,
Digit
so
code.
Rana, it is material digit. Yeah, SB0123 up to 40 digit, we have to extend it. Here it is up to 18 digit. Okay, in ECC.
Okay.
Okay, material extension length. Okay, so here they have the three servos, the development and quality and production. I thought that do you know that three servos? Actually, I already informed you or not? No, no. Hello,
No.
hello. Okay,
No,
fine.
no.
Yeah, so if you deploy in the project, they will provide the three servers. If it is in the support, if you're in the any kind of support, either implementation project, they will give the three servers like development, quality, and production. So same like here it is there. This kind of server they will provide three server. One is development, one is quality, one is production. Okay. So after that, you have to do the configuration. What are the configuration? If it is an implementation product, so you have to define all the process for related purchase organization, plan, store location, purchase group. Once you define here, how to set the key data structure means in the number wise how they want, we have to define in the development server. After then we can move to the quality server. Means quality server you have to check whether the material is great or whether integrate with and FI means GL account with respect to all the process you have to check in the process for material creation, vendor creations, everything will be checked in the quality server. Once they will users they will approve. Okay, everything is fine. Then you can move to the production side. Here in the production server, we will start the go live and productions. Here they what they will the procurement team will do the create on material and do the material. What is the requirement for this plant under this store location? We will do the you will write the PR and do the PO and send to the PO to the vendor. Vendor has to deliver as per your requirement and do the invest. That is the production server. They will do the daily users. Okay, so this is all about day-to-day activity. So while doing the users, while doing this process, while doing the creation of material, while doing the creation of vendor, while doing the creation of processor, while doing the GRN, If their user any facing the issue, you will be give the support. Means if they are getting any different valuation class, they doesn't with respect to material types, so the user getting automatic account information error. Okay, this valuation class and valuation category and our valuation grouping code is not activated for under this material type. So for that you can go to the OBOC settings and change and do the process. Okay, so that kind of process for support project. If the implementation project, you do the configuration for all the scenarios. So no need to worry about it. If you have experience in the 3 years, they will give that implementation project. If you have above 3 years, so they will give the implementation project, and below it in 2 years. It depends on your knowledge skill set. Okay, so the implementation and support project. There are two kind of project and end users also. So here what I am done then, so you will be comfortable for both three kind of job opportunities. One is end user job supervisors or end user. One is implementation project consultants, SAP functional consultant and support consultant. Okay, they have three options to get a job option. Okay, hello, hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I think okay, everyone there, na? Only Rayman. Okay, shall I end the session? Any doubts up to please let me know in WhatsApp. Okay, so I will be
Yeah.
send it on. Thank you so much, Kalan. Have a great day. Anything to say
Yeah.
about me, Kalan? How is the class?
Yeah, it's good. Everything is fine now. No issue.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think his class is anything. So I know his class is the timeline because you also getting some food poison, so that's very
Yes.
defective. So you can take care of the health. Health is was okay. So I'll be there
We
for
will have
any
one more
issue.
session, right?
No, today is last session, so I will take one more. I will discuss one. So
Okay.
I will mail that. You can acknowledge the mail. I will take the
Okay.
session whenever you're free. I'm also free, so at that time I will take the session. Okay, no
Okay.
issue. Okay,
Sure.
okay. For
Okay.
personal health, so everyone, if there anyone, not only for everyone, I will tell. So on Sunday only, I'm telling. On Sunday only, I'm taking. Or if you have any extra one more session, so I will take care of that one. So officially is the end of the session. So I will mail. Please acknowledge the mail. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay. Once you acknowledge the mail, so they will approve for my process. So, and then so after don't need to worry about it. So if you are doing the process, if you are getting any error, and if you are need one more time, so I will tell it via mobile. So if you want in Sunday I'm free, I will take the again Skype and we have to do the no issue. So and don't tell that team. Okay. So because it is end of session, they will assign one more batch. That is the reason. So and don't discuss with them. Okay.
Okay.
Fine, fine. Okay, sir.
Take care about it and because your batch is because the absent is more for Kalyan and Rohini. Okay, okay, so no issue. So for that I will give for that when I'm free. So on that time, so we will practice and go for the next one. Leave for what is the scenario will not run. So go for next one. So and try to do all. So what are the scenario will not coming, list out and then update me. So we have to do no issue. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And
So
please send us the notes, sir.
yeah,
What
sure,
scenario we
definitely.
have to
So for
practice.
each and every topic relevant, all notes. Some topics also are not done because we are because more still more topic are there. Some business process as per the business process, this much of to learn this much of will be rock for that as per the requirement. Okay, so there are some project relevant activity also there. So in S4 having a huge, so which is a bundle of knowledge and integration with different models. So this much of if you know proper this much and you will be eligible for the any kind of support project and implementation project. No need to worry about it. Okay.
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 Try to learn all scenario process. If you want any extra element in the process, so you can tell me, sir. I want if it is the source is there, I'll provide the source and you just go through it. Okay. And
Fine.
I will
Okay.
share one notes and I will share the notes regarding the session also and Excel also and some extra notes also there and some T code also there. So apart from the extra topic relevant also I will share. Okay, no need to worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
And if you have time to learn from that extra topic also, so as per my requirement, so I will deliver to this topic. Okay, no need to worry about it. If I am getting any new thing, I will update you. No need to worry about it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Kalyan, Rohini, and Rehman. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Yeah. Okay, take care, all the best, and we'll take one mock interview for everyone. So when I'm free, you just pin me, sir. I'm free. Please take the mock interview. All the
Okay.
learn from practical theoretical knowledge process. So and then we take some after 5:30. I will take the mock interview for who will ready for that whenever you free. So it is not mandatory. I'm just taking because how much you are interested in learning. They are not telling. So I'm just for my sake of knowledge. So because due to some absence of classroom. That is the reason I want to cross check your knowledge. That is the reason I'm taking.
Okay.
Okay, no, how it
Fine,
is
sir.
real time interview, how it is there in the real time interview. So for that, I will suggest you. You can say like this, like this. So I'll personally guide for the interview purpose also. Okay, no need to worry about it.
Okay.
Fine, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
so don't
Right.
Yes.
think call anytime. So after 5:30.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
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 sir.
Rohini. Okay, take care. Have a great day. Bye. Yeah,
Bye.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Good
Thank
night, sir.
bye,
Thank you.
Rohini.
you.
Yeah,
Sir. Thank you
yeah.
very much.
Yeah.